Then he whispered to me, he said, Elizabeth, never mind. I said, no, it's really, talaga, agrabyado ako. I'm aggravated.
Aggravated?
Kasi English yun, aggravated. Bisaya ako, kaya aggravated. Tapos sabi niya, Elizabeth, be silent. How many are there? I said, there were 5 or 6 like that. He said, that's okay. You know, sometimes they only have two rapes, but this time there are 6. Let's accept that is grace from God. Can you imagine? The case is closed. Kaya sabi ko, alam niyo mga kaibigan, ako talaga naghahanap ng iskandal of my life. Wala akong iskandal eh. Wala ka dito, Miss Elizabeth Ramsey, the Queen of Rock and Roll, 78 years old. Pero wala akong iskandal.